What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Hunting for the People. I'm going to turn my hat backwards so that way it looks like another episode. We're going to pretend that this isn't the same day as the last vlog. We are currently at the top of the Brooken like we were at the end of the last vlog, but we are going to do something special on the way down, and I thought that it deserved a vlog of its own. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Jacob. I'm an Australian. I am living in Germany. This is Marianne, my girlfriend. Yes. She is German. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing. But today we are still in the Harz Mountains like the last vlog, but we're going down the mountains this time, and we're going to do something very special and a little expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's kind of a once in a time thing. Maybe that gives you a hint as to what we're doing, but if that doesn't, we are currently waiting for a super old coal steam train like the one you saw in the previous vlog, because we are about to jump on the Hogwarts Express and get down the mountain. So
yay!
We're going to wait a little bit until it gets here.
So much more comfortable.
Yeah, a bit more comfortable than 6 kilometers down the mountain. So we're going to wait till it gets here, and then we're going to take you on board. So guys, I have to keep my mask on because of the situation, but you can obviously hear me. But how cool is this? We're going down the mountain on this old coal steam train. I have to find out how old it is. I'm not exactly sure. I'd imagine, being Germany, it's probably something from like the 1800s, something crazy that I wouldn't even expect. But I'll find that out for you. But we are about a quarter of the way down the mountain, and we're trying to get as many really cool shots from the train as we can to show you guys, because this is something that is once in a lifetime. A lot of people that probably see this will never have the opportunity to do this, and people that have done it know just how great it is. We are back in Wernigerode. It was an awesome ride on the train. As much as we've tried looking, we can't really see. 1950?
Yeah.
We think that the train's from 1950, but we're a little unsure. So if anyone that is watching this knows, please enlighten me. I thought it was like 1800s because I feel like all those trains are super old. But it was really great. It was a really great ride, very scenic. But as for now, I think we've done enough walking around and enough exploring in the Houtz Mountains. We're about to go back to the apartment and have one last night here, put our feet up and relax. By the next time that you see me, we'll be back in Hildesheim or maybe somewhere else. I don't quite know yet. Until then, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us on the Houtz coal steam train. It's my first time on a coal steam train and I loved it. Like I said, guys, until next time, we're gonna go and relax. So if you guys aren't subscribed, as always, I would love for you to consider subscribing to the channel and leaving your thoughts and comments below. If anyone knows the correct date of the train, leave it in the comments. But guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Jacob. This is Punting for the People. I'll see you guys in the next video.